It's a beautiful day today. It's gonna rain later on, so we got to get down there as quick as possible. Really windy, but we got a new tire. Look, I had to show you guys this. Bam, new tire. So we're back to the beach, and Alex paid for gas. Well, we both pitched in and we paid half and half. So we got two good tires now. This one's still pretty good. I was gonna get both of them, but they ended up being $85 just for that tire. So, look at, you ever see that? Robert with a heart. So you'll know that's my car if you're in the parking lot. The story with that is I saw some wax and I picked it up and I set it there, and then I forgot about it. And for some reason I couldn't see it from my drivers. So it's just on that slope. Then when it got hot, it just melted. It melted and came off like that. It just went melt. And that's why that's there. I never bothered to move it. I just carved my name in it. So I know this is my car because all these ones look alike. Alex, what's the hurry?
What's the hurry? You want to get down there?
Before me?
Yes.
Alright. Look at all these rocks down here in the wash. I should probably check them on the way back. You never know what you're gonna find. What kind of treasure you're gonna find on your treasure hunt. Look, it turned to mud. But this is where they... It's really cool down here, actually. I've seen them take a... You know how you crawl with a Jeep? They take the remote control cars and do that? And these rocks are perfect for it. Alex is trying to be the first one down there. I can't keep up with the old guy. But look, you see the chunks that came off. Big chunks of rocks came off of this thing. Big ol'. Here's the inlet for the harbor. Newport Beach Harbor. What a place. So we're probably not going to find anything today. This beach gets checked pretty much regularly from people. So our chances are slim to none.
Robert.
But Alex thinks he's going to find something. He doesn't even know how to swing his detector.
Oh my God, really?
You guys want to know his new nickname?
No, I didn't know. The bad. No. No.
Okay, I won't tell him.
No.
Alright, I'll see you guys on the beach. So I started gridding. There's nothing down here. I knew it was going to be that way. But I'm just happy to get out here. It's nice down here. The beach is nice. Heck, we're making it. We don't need money. We're surviving. But if we did get a gold ring, that really would be awesome. One gold ring would put us right back into this system. Summer's coming though, so as long as I can hold out till summer, we're gonna be okay as far as making videos goes. But right now, we're just gonna go to the beach and enjoy the beach for now. We'll swing a detector, maybe look for some rocks. That's all we can do. Let's try. Alex got a target. Should I walk up to him? That's what he does to me. What is it, Alex?
Really? Got it.
detector are you using?
800.
It's a penny. That's the first target?
First target.
There's nothing on this beach. Well, we got our first sound. 28, 23. It's in the 20s. Kind of breaking up though. Now it's really breaking up. I think we got it. Kind of sounds like a quarter and a dime, but I see a penny. Let's see if it is a penny. Yep. We got our first penny. Taping. Oh, yeah. Alright. Back at it. Haven't been down there long. We got a second sound here. 10, 9. Not ringing very well, but now it's just not ringing good at all. Yeah, it's iron. And it's a piece of trash. There's Alex. Swooped all the way over here. Make sure he doesn't miss out on anything. To keep that one. I'm looking for a good black one, but that's not. Well, we'll see how it comes out. It's a good filler rock. The rock nowhere. So I'm gonna go up in the dry. This is horrible down here. All right, so we've been doing right along this wall here, and we're not doing too good. I did find a bobby pin though, so that's something. You hear it going beep. So that's nothing. We'll just put a scoop on it and see. It is a bread tie. Bread tie. Yeah, but when I get close to the wall, see it goes beep, beep. I just let it beep, I don't care. Then I know that's as close as I can get. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. There's the bathroom, that's where I'm headed. So I just noticed another metal detector right in front of us right now. You probably can't see him because the GoPro sucks. But he's checking up right by the wall like I was. So like I said, this beach gets raked over constantly by metal detectors. I wish Alex would come back. I want to go to a different beach. I give up. There's nothing on this beach. I checked the dry from here to there, along the wall, all along the towel line. There's another guy checking up by the wall. Alex is down on the beach. I got one penny. I'm gonna save my energy for the next beach and we'll hit another one. Let's do that. Oh, that's probably gonna be the same results, but we'll try. The lobster boat coming in. Old thing. You guys probably been doing it for years. Alright. Alright, I haven't given up yet. 24, 22. See if we can get it on the first scoop. It's pretty hard soil, I mean sand. I think it's a cell phone. I think it's a cell phone. There's something. I think it's a cell phone. I think it's a cell phone.
That cell phone?
I don't know. I don't know. I think it is. I have to dig it out first. Thought I saw it. That's why I'm saying that. Of course, it's deep in the water, so it's hard to. Here's another wave. It's one of those days. There it is. How would I know? I wouldn't try to turn on when it's wet.
That's an iPhone.
That's what I'm gonna do. Of course. I'm rinsing it off.
And there's a back on it, so there might be cash in the back. Check it.
Is my camera on? Yeah. I can't do it, it's down in the water here. I have no hands. Alright.
Obviously the cell phone destroyed, it's cracked it.
I'm sure there's nothing in it.
See, there's cash in the back, see the score.
99% of the time there's nothing. Nope. There's nothing. Oop.
Oh, that thing is destroyed. No, it's something.
Yeah.
Add to the pile.
It's getting trash out of the ocean is what it is. That's all it is. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna battle this one on screen for you guys. This is it's like right in where the waves are. Right where the water's coming up. But hey, I got 2 signals, so that's pretty good. More than I got doing the whole beach. The tide is down further than it was earlier. I think we got it on the first scoop. Oh, what's that? That's a low tone. Oh, let's stay here. Try to clean the scoop out in the water. Yeah, that sounds like gold. 5-2. More than likely it's junk. And that one was nothing. I got nothing on that one. It's alright. I'd rather go for this one. We're gonna wait for a break in the waves. Now to scoop it, I'm gonna wait for another break. The wave's coming, but we got it. I didn't get it. And I leave my I leave my detector on the target so it doesn't get washed away. Wait for a lull. Oh God, we didn't get it. Hopefully the target doesn't wash away. We'll go for it again. Well, that's not good. If it's that deep, then it's probably just a lobster trap or something underground. Should let Alex dig this one. Super deep right now. Super duper deep. I think I felt something hard down there. Oh, we got it. All that for this. Like a soy sauce or something. Wow. Oh well, you win some, you lose some. We definitely lost that one. So we got another low tone. I think it's still in there. Check. Yeah. I've been waiting for you. Alright, we got it. It's gonna be one boring video. I see it. It is some kind of circle. Like a bottle cap or something. I don't know. It's not a coin or anything. It's trash.
Wedge time.
Alright, we're at a new beach. Not a nude beach. A new beach. So hopefully there's something down here. That wind is horrible. Alright, I got flowers. Nice. Let's see if we can get anything. So all we need is one piece of gold. One piece of gold. Even if it's 2 grams, I don't care. Well, even if it's 1 gram, I don't care. That would, anything would help. Alright, apparently I left the camera on, so I didn't find anything down by the wet. I had showed it, but I guess I left the camera on. So I probably just delete that, it's just easier. So I figured I'd look for some wood up here. As you might know if you watch my videos, I just got a Dremel. And I have a blade with a for wood. I bought it for rock, but I just happen to have a blade for wood. So this is not the kind of wood I want, but Let's look around. There's a bunch of stuff on the beach. Maybe we'll find something good. And we'll metal detect at the same time. Well, I found this one. It looked like it had been floating in the ocean for a while. Nice and heavy. But it doesn't look like it's good for carving. But I'm thinking, you know what? This would be good yard art right here. And if not, you can just throw it in the fireplace. So we're gonna take this one so we could say we got something. We might find more. I see more wood on the beach. Alright, I found another piece here. It has some red in it, and that's kind of what I'm looking for. Exactly what I'm looking for. Except it's a really light piece. I don't really want that. I'm looking for hardwood, like, I don't know, maybe this is. I wonder if I should just keep it. It's not the red that I'm looking for, though. Like manzanitas, you know. That's pretty hard. I don't know. I don't know if I should keep it or not. Shoot. Well, I'll just set it here on top of this log. And then if I can't find anything, we'll come back and get it. Like even this with the bark on it, you never know what's underneath. Like this is what's underneath. Real soft it feels. But it doesn't break easy, so it's probably a good piece. I like the looks of that wood actually. See what it looks like when you peel it. It's really cool looking. I wish the whole thing was already debarked. Debarked like a dog, you know. Alright, let's keep going. Look at this piece. It's just like a big knot. See the knot there? It's got all the lines. I mean, somebody cut this. Cut it there. Cut it here. Just to get... Oh, I see. They cut the knot out is what they did. They didn't want that knot. Pretty cool piece though. We got a sound here. But it doesn't sound like much. It's weird because it's in the hard pack. So I imagine whatever it is probably old. Whatever the heck this is, I don't know if I want to dig. I'll come back if I get it. I got it. What the heck is it? I think I found this down here before. It's like a whole bunch of wires. Wow. That is old too. I don't know what the heck. There's a, what's it called? Lead. Lead with copper, how weird. In the hard pack. That's pretty old. Not too old, but you know, it's pretty old. Yeah, well that was pretty deep. Alrighty, here we go for the wrap up. I was really hesitant on even posting this video. But we just got to go through these hard times to get the good times. And we found one cell phone, one piece of trash, one rock, I decided to keep that rock. 1 penny. 1 piece of jewelry, which I did not get on camera. That was outside of my car, sitting on the ground. I looked down and there was gold there, and I'm like, ah, gold. But it's not gold. It's just a piece of something. And then we got all that copper right there with some lead. I don't know what the heck that's from. But, oh, yeah. And we did get that piece of wood. It'll make a pretty good piece of art. Go along with the rocks there. Anyways, yeah. I kind of sorted out my rocks. Can't really tell, but I put like the fancy rocks that are already cut and stuff right here and there. So all the fancy ones are there. Then I separated everything, which I already done before, but now I even separated them better. Like this is just random rocks. Those are those kind of rocks. And all under there, they're all separated. And my tumbled rocks are right there too. Anyways, yeah. So that's our video. Been having these weird chest pains. Hope it's not from this diet. It's supposed to make my heart better, not worse. Yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. So tomorrow we're going to fill out applications and probably get shot down wherever we go, because that's what seems what everybody does. But then the next day we're going to go make a video. Now we might go gold prospecting. I don't know, it just rains, so the river's going to be rough. Or metal detecting. Probably metal. Probably gold prospecting. So I kind of just want to get up in the mountains. It really feels good up there. Here's some strawberries that finally got ripe. Those were all white at the end, but they kept going, so they got ripe. A lot of the other ones just got rotten. I haven't been eating any stuff like that. Fruits or vegetables, just meat and eggs. So, and today I cheated and got milk. But anyways, we got a tire for our car. Everything is looking good right now except money, but we'll worry about that when that time comes. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it, basically. So yeah, there's a bunch of rocks there under there. There's rocks everywhere here. Also, yeah, we're an update. We're gonna go rock hounding again real soon, hopefully. I think next week. So we'll be out in the desert trying to get some more rocks. I probably won't get so many now because, like, if I find these kind, I don't need any more of these kind. If I find those kind, I don't even want those kind. So we're going to be more selective, basically, and come home probably with less rocks. And we did transplant that cactus, in case you missed it. After all these years, I keep saying I'm going to transplant it, and never did. Finally, I did it. And the bullfrog, he's back. He must have hibernated during the winter, because he disappeared. Oh, he just went under. Yeah, he's in there. And there's also a fish in there. Well, I only saw one. It was a molly. That's what they're called. My friend gave it to me when I first got this pond. And he's still in there. I saw him. Crazy. Alright. That's it. Besides, the potatoes are coming up. Potato, potato, potato. The ones in the pots are definitely up. So, those will be ready in probably 90 days. Because they've been up for like 10 days. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully we'll have a better video next time. More upbeat too. I'm sorry to be so down, but it's like I get so negative when I'm going to these beaches and there's nothing down there. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.